name is Lane Auth with Black Diamond Capital Advisory, and today I'm going to talk about business line of credits and whether or not you should get one as a business owner. So what is a business line of credit? A business line of credit is a short-term capital loan that commercial banks offer for business owners. They vary somewhat from credit cards. Credit cards you're paying those off monthly and then the interest builds after. A line of credit is a little different. It allows for business owners to keep an outstanding balance and they can draw on it as they need, and they only have to start paying interest on it once they start drawing and using the capital they get from it. So what are the positives and negatives of doing a business line of credit? Well, there's many positives. One is that it's a little easier than getting a bank loan, traditional loan. Usually there's a lot of approvals and hoops you got to jump through to get a larger loan. This acts more as a shorter term option that can give you the capital you need to run your business in an easier process. And additionally, it gets replenished as you make payments on it. So if you have a $400,000 balance, you draw $100,000, you're only paying interest on that $1,000. And then you, as you make payments on that $100,000 back, balance replenishes back up to the $400,000 that you're given. But there's also negatives, of course. There's fees to it. You're getting a loan, there's interest, bank fees, to take out money, of course. So there's always a cost to doing business. Of course, got to make payments on it to keep your credit score up. So after looking at the positive and negatives, who should be getting a business line of credit? I think it should be business owners and businesses that have a short-term need of capital. Maybe they have seasonality to their business. So there's certain seasons where they have low cash flow and other seasons where they have higher cash flow. So a business line of credit is great to fill those winter gaps or summer gaps, wherever those lower windows of cash flow are, to kind of help maintain business operations. And of course, those that can manage a cash flow, that's a big thing too, because you could get a great amount of funding now, but there's, of course, you got to pay it back and pay it with interest too. So companies that can manage a budget, manage a cash flow, and draw on only what they need are great business targets for using business line of credit. So in conclusion, of course, business lines of credits are great tools for your business to help with cash flow needs, to help grow and build your business and give you additional capital and resources to go and grow. But of course, you got to manage it and manage a budget so that you're not seeing the risks of it and seeing extra costs and extra interest accrue on your P&L month after month. So of course, if you need any financing assistance, any needs, our team do a lot of work in that space and be happy to help with any needs you may have.